They say cycling is better with friends, and it is.
Oh, coffee. Let's stop. Hey, I'm trying.
Except for the part where nobody hears a word you say. Same story on every ride. You turn, they miss it. You brake, they don't. You need help.
Guys, I got a flat.
And everyone is already gone.
I need tools.
What if you could just talk to them? This is Sonorus, Lumos' first cycling helmet with built-in intercom and LED lights. Co-developed with Riso, it has a speaker and microphone engineered right into the shell. You talk, your riding partner hears you.
Steep hill coming after the turn. Got it. 50 down.
Clearly, instantly, up to a mile away. 2 riders, 1 mile of seamless connection. At 5, 10, up to 15, the mesh breathes with the pack, stretching your reach across 5 miles. Most intercoms have a button you press to talk. Sonorus doesn't. The helmet's mic detects your voice and sends it to every rider in the group automatically. No buttons, no push to talk. Your hands stay where they belong, and your control never slips. Wind noise is the enemy of every conversation on a bike.
This headwind is terrible. Can you even hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Sonorus analyzes the sound around you in real time and cancels out the wind. Studio-level clarity, even in a headwind. Riding solo? Stream music and podcasts straight from your phone. Riding with friends? The music keeps playing. Sonorus just lowers it when someone speaks, and brings it back the moment they stop. All that technology means nothing if it doesn't protect you. So we took it to the lab. We dropped it. We hit it. Measured how much force gets through to your head. 3 safety certifications, and the hardest one, NTA 8776, was designed for e-bikes, because when you ride faster, your helmet has to work harder. Sonorus has brake lights, turn signals, and a team sync, all tested and certified by TUV, visible through fog, rain, and night. When you slow down, drivers see it. When you want to turn, drivers see it. In a group, your lights move as one, an impossible to ignore force. Drivers spot you sooner and give you more space on the road. For commuting, Sonorus stays open ear. The speakers never block your ears, so unlike earbuds, you stay aware of traffic while you listen or take a call. Inside, ionic plus antimicrobial padding. It stays fresh ride after ride. A high-beam spotlight lights up your U-lock, and a one-hand fidlock buckle. One click, you're ready. We validated airflow in a wind tunnel to pull heat away when the pace climbs. EPS foam is designed to sacrifice itself for your safety, and it eventually retires. But the tech inside Sonorus is built to last. When it's time for a new shell, you swap it out. The core technology comes with you. Better for the planet, better for your wallet. A rider's most vital asset is their brain. At Lumos, our mission is to protect it and then to connect it. When nothing pulls you away, you're left with the rhythm of the ride and the people you share it with. Lumos Sonorus, the ultimate upgrade to your ride.